the SPY forms an even cleaner right shoulder on its head and shoulders pattern, and the QQQ does the same. And the VIX explodes higher today, moving closer to a full measured move of this descending triangle pattern. Welcome back, everybody, to High Quality Trades, the channel where I provide top-notch technical analysis on the stock market, where we go over simple support and resistance levels, trend line breaks, and pattern formations, and I give you the price targets of where price is headed in the coming days. So in today's video, we will be going over the most significant support and resistance levels on the SPY, the QQQs, and the VIX, and what you should be looking for if these levels are tagged in the coming days. So first up, we have the SPY on the 4-hour time frame. Today, October 7th, the SPY closed at 567.80. It reached a high of 571.96 and a low of 566.63. We were negative 0.90% on the day. Alright guys, so what is the SPY currently doing? So it looks to me like the SPY has just formed an even better right shoulder on this head and shoulders pattern that I was talking about in my last video. It is not yet a confirmed head and shoulders. To do that, it would first need to break below 565.23. Since it has not yet done that, we can only speculate at this time what it might do. So let's measure the move if, say, the SPY breaks lower tomorrow. So if the SPY breaks below 565.23, then a full measured move of this head and shoulders pattern would bring us down to 555.38 in the coming days. Now it is possible for the SPY to break to the upside. And let's say if this pattern was to break upwards, then it would signal for the SPY to break new all-time highs above 575, somewhere in the 575.40 range. This is where we are currently at. If we were to pull up our MACD, it has curled back up and is headed towards the zero line. But we did get a lighter bar on the histogram today that does signal that it's possible for further downside to come in the upcoming days. So I'll be watching this closely, and then we can further our technical analysis in the coming days. Alright, that's it for the SPY. Now let's go over the QQQs on the 4-hour time frame. So the QQQs looks to be building out a right shoulder even more well defined than in my last video. If this pattern ultimately breaks to the downside, then a full measured move will drop us, say if we were to break below tomorrow, the full measured move would drop us to 462.91. Now it is not yet a confirmed head and shoulders pattern, so this is speculation at this point. So to play devil's advocate, let's now bring the full measured move to the upside. If the QQQs manages to break upwards, that does signal for the QQQs to head up towards its gap fill above us at 495.24. If we pull up the MACD and the RSI, the MACD has curled upwards and is approaching the zero line. Those are bullish signals for price to continue moving higher, but we have created our first lighter bar here on the histogram that is a slight bearish signal. The price may fall come tomorrow. Ultimately, we will have to pay attention to what tomorrow's price action does for us to further our technical analysis at this point. Okay, that's it for the triple Qs. Now let's head on to the VIX. So today the VIX exploded higher, gapping up almost $3 and breaking above its resistance here at 21.98. This is a bullish signal for price to now head up towards 24.65. As long as the VIX manages to stay above 21.98, then it's most likely we head up towards 24.65. If we are to just pull up our MACD and the RSI, it is diverging at the current moment. For the VIX to nullify this bearish divergence, the VIX will need to curl back up and make a higher high with the signal lines here, and the RSI will have to do the same. We'll have to make new highs and head further into overbought territory to nullify the bearish divergences that are now forming on the MACD and the RSI. I will be watching both tomorrow and in the coming days for further technical analysis. But right now, this is everything we got. So let's end the video there. Thank you guys for watching high quality trades for this quick daily update. And I'll see you guys in the next video.